There's steam.
Here we go. Welcome back here to the Mountain Morning Show. We are joined right now by Chef Amanda Pilkington. You know her, she's a great friend of the station. And Amanda, you just got back from a little trip to Mexico, right?
I did.
How was it?
It was amazing, yeah.
Kind of fun. Did you bring back any special recipes as you do sometimes on vacation, or did you just take this one to kind of just clear out a little bit?
Actually, on my last day, I had baked eggs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they were incredible. So this is just a twist on what I had.
Cool, perfect. So we're kind of doing
Middle Eastern twist, I guess.
So what's the name of this recipe?
So this is za'atar baked eggs.
Za'atar baked eggs.
Yes.
Awesome.
What's za'atar?
Za'atar is a Middle Eastern spice.
Okay.
It's this stuff right here. You can smell it if you want.
Wow.
Is it very aromatic?
Yeah, it's got sumac, oregano, thyme.
Wow, it smells really good.
So I'm new to your company and your service. Will you explain to me what exactly you do?
Sure. I bring the restaurant to my clients. I bring a gourmet dining experience wherever they might be. There's so many gorgeous houses up in Park City, and if you want to stay home and just enjoy your house or have the restaurant come to you, we make everything from scratch, and we just bring a fine dining experience to.
Especially like on those snowy nights, you know, like when it's cold here in Park City and you want to go down to Main Street, but maybe it's a little bit too cold to get out of the front door.
Yes.
It'd be nice to have you there that night.
Yeah,
For
or
sure.
if there's just more than like 8 people.
Exactly,
or
a dinner
10,
party or something going on.
It's kind of challenging to go out to a restaurant sometimes.
For sure.
So would you come down to my house in Salt Lake?
Sure.
Oh,
yeah.
Bingo.
Next week I'm going to Bear Lake, actually.
Okay.
Which is
in
2
California?
hours away. No.
Oh, okay.
It's up northern Utah.
Oh, that's right, Nick. You're a Utah local now, so
Yep.
we're gonna have to take you up to Bear Lake. It's like the famous lake here in Utah, for sure. For sure. It's a ton of fun. So we're baking these za'atar baked eggs, is that correct? Awesome. So what do we need to get all this constructed? What's the ingredients?
So I started with half an onion.
Okay.
I just sliced it thin.
Kind of julienned it and then threw it in there?
Yeah, and then so you start with your onions, you saute them until they're softened.
Okay.
So about 5 minutes. And then after that, I add the tomatoes in. The tomatoes, they get about 5-7 minutes. I just want to start getting them blistered.
Do you like to use the whole cherry tomatoes in there, or is it? Yeah.
So we did that part. So now we're gonna add the red pepper.
Okay.
Once the red pepper's in there, it goes for another 10 minutes.
So you kind of saute the peppers as well?
Yeah,
Cool.
That's gonna completely soften the red pepper, and it's gonna break down the tomatoes so they're blistered.
Okay,
they're
cool.
Completely blistered.
Perfect.
So is this what we're creating over here?
Yes.
Is that the finished product?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just pulled that out of the oven. So.
Oh my
Yes.
goodness.
This is what it's going to look like once the tomatoes are blistered and your red pepper softened.
And the red peppers are all the way softened.
Yes.
So you said about 15 minutes total for the kind of sauteing the vegetable
Yeah,
part.
it's super easy.
Okay.
And then what we do, I created 4 little wells so you can see.
Okay, so you kind of create little pockets for the eggs to sit in there?
Yeah, and we just crack the eggs in there. Here, do you want to help me?
Absolutely.
Cool.
Right in here?
Yeah, you can do it into there.
Or over this?
Into the little...
Into the little well?
Depends how good are you are at cracking eggs.
Yeah, that's like the true test of a chef right there, whether you can crack an egg. How people do it with one
yeah,
hand,
go ahead.
I don't know. Can you do it with one hand, Amanda? I don't know how people do that. I've never understood that
So
trick.
how many years have you been perfecting your craft as a personal in-home chef?
So I've been working in restaurants since I was 13, and then I worked on private jets for quite some time. And then I've been doing this in Park City for 6 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of experience, a lot of gourmet cooking under your belt.
I do.
Is it fun as a chef to be able to kind of get creative and create these kind of cool menus for your dinner guests?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, I always like creating new things.
Do you ever have clients that are just like, hey, we trust your vision here, we trust your taste,
Yeah.
can you completely just take over?
All the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
That's because you're a great cook, right?
Oh, thank you.
Absolutely. So after we saute this and after we crack the eggs, we're going to put that in. This, I'm guessing, is obviously going to go into the oven. What's the temperature we're looking at here?
400.
400?
For about 10 minutes.
Okay.
We'll just crack some pepper, some salt. The other thing I like to do is add a little cream.
Okay.
It just makes it so much better. So I just
What does the cream do to it? Does it kind of help lift
makes
the eggs.
it amazing.
Just tastes amazing.
Wow.
I trust your secret there. That's the chef's secret. Well, while this is kind of constructing and cooking, we're going to take a very quick commercial break. When we come back, we will try this amazing eggs baked in, I'm forgetting the name of the spice again.
Za'atar.
Za'atar.
Yes.
Eggs baked za'atar. We'll be right back with much more right here on the Mountain Morning Show. Don't go anywhere.